So here in the Brown Mall in Chiang Mai, Tokyo Optic, he just fixed my sunglasses. Like the cheapest sunglasses, almost sports sunglasses for 200 Danish crowns. They fixed a broken arm. A car drove over my Damon sunglasses and the arm fell off, broke off, and they somehow fixed it. And I wanted to pay something, but they didn't want to take any money from me. So it was free service. So kudos to Tokyo Optic here in the Brown Mall, Chiang Mai. Crazy stuff here in Thailand. This would never happen in Denmark. So we just bought overpriced Japanese sweet potatoes here in Thailand, and I don't know why we didn't buy organic Thai sweet potatoes, but they are super good. Here in the Tops Market in the Brown Mall, Chiang Mai. It's really good.